turns out where it goes into the muffler, it's missing 2 of the 3 bolts. So that bolt is missing, that bolt is missing, and I could actually feel the exhaust coming out right here. Got that exhaust leak taken care of. I